What if every single workout felt like your best one? What if that feeling of hitting a wall halfway through leg day or totally gassing out on your last set was just gone? We've all been there. You walk into the gym ready to go, but your body isn't on the same page. You feel weak, you can't focus, and every single rep feels like a battle. That frustrating crash isn't just in your head, it's your body telling you that it's running empty. But what's the alternative? Picture yourself moving with real power, feeling stronger and more dialed in with every set. In this video, we're breaking down the simple science-backed meal plan that unlocks that exact energy and endurance right when you need it the most. We're not talking about complicated recipes or a bunch of expensive supplements. We are talking about one simple strategy centered on what you eat just 30 minutes before you train. To understand how to get that crazy energy, you first need to understand why you lose it. When you feel that mid-workout crash, what's really happening is your body is running out of its go-to fuel source. Think of your body like a performance car. You wouldn't expect it to win a race on a thimbleful of gas, right? So why you are asking your body to perform at its peak without the right fuel in the tank? The main fuel for any intense workout, whether it's lifting heavy or doing HIIT, it's called glycogen. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into glucose and stores it in your muscles and liver as glycogen. During your workout, your muscles tap directly into these glycogen stores to power every single contraction, lift, and sprint. When those stores get low, your performance falls off a cliff. Your muscles feel weak, your brain gets foggy, and your intensity just vanishes. This is that wall everyone talks about. The entire goal of your pre-workout meal is to top off those glycogen stores so you have immediate accessible energy to prevent that crash before it even starts. But it's not just about carbs. While carbs are the main event, protein plays a huge supporting role. A little bit of protein before your exercise helps protect your hard-earned muscle. During an intense session, your body can start breaking down muscle tissue for energy. We don't want that. Pre-workout shot of protein gives your body amino acids that acts like a shield, preventing that muscle breakdown and actually starting to repair and growth process before your workout is even over. So the goal is clear. We need smart combo of fast acting fuel and muscle sparing protection. The secret is picking the right kinds of carbs and protein and eating them at the right time. So they're working for you, not against you. When you start that first warm-up set. Alright, here's the part you've been waiting for. Exactly what to eat. We are going to build the perfect pre-workout snack. The key is to choose foods that digest quickly and easily, giving you that rush of energy without weighting you down or messing with your stomach. That 30-minute window before a workout is not the time for slow digesting. High fiber carbs like brown rice or whole grain bread. Those are great for your overall diet, but right now we need speed. We need simple, fast digesting carbs that your body can turn into energy fast. I give you the first example, the ripe banana. This is the undisputed king of pre-workout foods for a reason. A ripe banana is full of simple sugars like glucose and fructose that your body can absorb almost instantly. The ripper the banana, the simpler the sugars, making it even faster. Plus, you get a hit of potassium, which helps with muscle function and preventing cramps. It's portable, cheap, and perfectly portioned. Example number 2, rice cakes. Think of rice cakes as the perfect blank canvas. They're made from puffed white rice, which is about as simple and fast digesting as it gets. They have almost no fat or fiber, which are the two things that slow digestion and can cause that heavy feeling in your stomach during a workout. 2 or 3 of these are perfect for clean carb source that hit your system fast. Example number 3, a spoonful of honey or a few dates. For the absolute quickest energy source, look no further. Honey or dried fruits like dates are basically pure, concentrated, simple sugar. A tablespoon of honey or 3 to 4 dates can give you an incredibly fast energy spike. This is perfect if you are feeling extra drained or you're about to tackle a really demanding workout. Example number 4, a slice of white toast with jam. White bread gets a bad rap in the nutrition world, but this 30-minute window is a superstar. The refined flour has no fiber to slow it down, making it a perfect vehicle for quick energy. A thin layer of jam on the top just adds another source of simple sugar, creating a powerful 1-2 punch fuel. Remember, we are not just fueling the workout, we are protecting our muscles. We need a small amount of protein, but just like our carbs, it has to be fast digesting. The wrong protein source will sit in your stomach like a rock. Let me give you one example. Whey protein isolate. This is the gold standard for fast absorbing protein. Whey isolate is filtered to remove almost all the lactose and fat, leaving a pure protein that gets to your muscles in a record time. Mixing half a scoop to a full scoop with water is one of the most efficient ways to get that pre-workout protein in without digestive drag. Example number 2, non-fat Greek yogurt. If you prefer whole foods, a small serving of non-fat Greek yogurt is a fantastic choice. It gives you a solid dose of protein and it is usually very easy on the stomach. The non-fat part is key here, since fat is what we are trying to avoid right before the session. Now let's combine these to create the perfect pre-workout snack. The idea is to pair one fast carb source with one fast protein source. Meal idea number 1, the sprinter. 2 rice cakes with thin layer of honey alongside a quick protein shake made with half a scoop of whey isolate and water. This is super light and delivers energy and aminos almost instantly. Meal idea number 2, the power bowl. A small bowl of instant oatmeal which is more processed and digest faster than rolled oats made with water. Mix in half a scoop of whey protein and top it with a few slices of ripe banana for extra fast carbs. Meal idea number 2, the classic combo. 1 ripe banana with small container of non-fat Greek yogurt. It's a simple, no-fuss option that gives you a perfect balance of fast carbs and quality protein. It's a go-to for a reason. It just works. Knowing what to eat is half the battle. How and when you eat is just as important. I recommend a 30-minute window, especially for those types of foods because they're digested for speed. Eating them 30 to 60 minutes before a workout gives your body just enough time to digest them and get those nutrients into your bloodstream right as you're starting your first set. The biggest traps to avoid in this window are fat and fiber. Foods high in fat like nuts, avocados, and oils, and foods high in fibers like veggies, beans, and whole grains are awesome for your health, but they are workout killers when eaten too close to your session. They slow digestion way down. This means your energy gets delayed and you run the risk of feeling bloated, heavy, or even sick during your workout. So for this pre-workout window, keep fat and fiber near zero. What if you train first thing in the morning? Is it better to train fasted? While some people prefer it, research consistently shows that for top performance, especially in tough or long workouts, having some fuel in the tank is better. I personally agree with that. Going in completely empty can lead to lower energy and more muscle breakdown. Even something small like a banana or quick protein shake can make a huge difference in your performance and help you keep your muscle. And finally, don't forget to hydrate. Water is probably the most important nutrient for performance. Being even slightly dehydrated can cause a huge drop in your energy, strength, and focus. Make sure you're sipping water all day, and especially in the hour before you train. Have a glass of water with your pre-workout snack to help digestion and make sure you're properly hydrated. Now I want to hear from you. What's your go-to pre-workout meal? The one snack you swear by for amazing energy. Drop it in the comments below. I like seeing what works for you and I read every single one. If you got any value out of this, do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notification. So that's the blueprint. It's the science-baked way to get incredible energy for every workout. It's not magic, it's just giving your body the right fuel at the right time. Focus on fast digesting carbs to fuel your performance. Add a little fast digesting protein to protect your muscle and nail your timing. Stop leaving your results on the table by training on an empty tank. Fuel your body the right way and you'll unlock a level of performance you didn't even know you had. Now go and crush that workout.